In today's video, I'll show you how to file a tax extension using Turbotax. If you're running out of time to finish your tax return, filing an extension is a quick way to get extra time so you can complete everything properly. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open Turbotax and sign into your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one before continuing. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard where all your tax tools are located. Next, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. In that menu, find the section labeled Tax Tools. When you click on it, another option called Tools will appear. Go ahead and select that option. After opening the Tools section, a panel called the Tool Center will appear on your screen. Inside this panel, you'll see several different options. The one you're looking for is File an Extension. Click on that option to begin the process. Once you select it, Turbotax will guide you through a few short steps. First, you'll be asked some basic questions to confirm your situation. For example, you may be asked whether you are a U.S. citizen or if you live outside the country. Simply answer the questions honestly and continue to the next step. After that, Turbotax will guide you through the extension request process. You may need to review some details and answer a few additional questions to make sure your information is correct. The software will then prepare the extension request for you. When everything looks correct, you can continue and submit the request directly through Turbotax. This sends your extension to the IRS electronically. It's important to remember that filing an extension only gives you more time to submit your tax return. If you expect to owe taxes, you should still estimate the amount and make a payment to avoid possible penalties. And that's how you file a tax extension using Turbotax. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.